Good morning. Today I want to talk to folks who have large life insurance policies or are thinking about buying a large life insurance policies. This is a generalization for a 1-minute video, but I want to give you 3 red flags which should cause you to either slow down on your purchase or choose not to purchase at all. The first one is if some insurance professional is trying to get you to replace an existing policy with a new policy. That's a red flag. If the insurance professional is suggesting that you do what's called premium financing, which is borrowing money to pay premiums, that's a second red flag. And a third red flag, if an insurance professional is suggesting that you take retirement money or borrow against your house to buy a life insurance policy, that's a third red flag. So be very careful if either any of these 3 red flags appear. Remember, whatever it is, let's make sure our money's working for us and not for somebody else. Have a great day.